Hello everyone, welcome to Voice Vocabulary. Today we will learn simple English through a story titled, The Story of the Internet from Past to Present. This video will help you improve your listening skills, learn new vocabulary, and understand sentence structure in an easy and natural way. Let's begin the story and enjoy learning English together. Long ago, before smartphones and apps, the idea of connecting people around the world using invisible signals was just a dream that lived in the minds of scientists and visionaries. The journey of the internet began when people started finding ways to send information from one place to another using wires, cables, and eventually radio waves. In the 1960s, during the Cold War, American scientists created a basic network called ARPANET to share important data among universities and defense labs. This small experiment slowly grew and gave birth to something much bigger that would one day become the internet we use today. Back then, computers were so big that they filled entire rooms and only a few people had access to them. Communication between computers was extremely slow, and people couldn't imagine watching videos or chatting live across countries. But as time passed, researchers developed new ways to make computer connections faster, safer, and more reliable. In the 1980s and 1990s, the world saw major improvements like faster modems, personal computers, and the first web browsers. Tim Berners-Lee, a brilliant scientist from the UK, invented the World Wide Web and created the first website ever. This invention changed everything because it allowed people to click, search, and find information using simple links. At first, websites only had text and maybe a few small pictures, but even that was exciting for people at the time. Businesses, schools, and even regular people started creating websites to share ideas, services, and knowledge. Slowly, internet cafes opened, and people stood in long lines just to check emails or search for school assignments. After some years, the internet became faster, and people could download music, send pictures, and even chat online. New companies like Google, Yahoo, and Amazon appeared and became leaders of this growing digital world. Google made it easier to search for anything by typing a few words, while Amazon allowed people to shop from their homes. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram changed the way people interacted, shared their lives, and made friends. People no longer had to wait days for letters, because they could now send messages instantly using emails or messaging apps. The invention of smartphones took the internet to a whole new level by putting it in our pockets. Now, with just a small mobile device, people can watch movies, talk to friends, learn new things, or even work from anywhere. Video calling, which once looked like magic in movies, became a regular part of life, connecting families and businesses worldwide. Students now attend online classes from remote villages and cities, learning through videos, quizzes, and digital books. Artists can share their music and drawings with global audiences, even without a studio or expensive equipment. The internet also gave voice to small businesses, allowing them to sell handmade goods and services beyond their local areas. Platforms like YouTube helped ordinary people become creators, teachers, entertainers, and even earn a living. Online banking, food delivery, ticket booking, and shopping became easier than ever, making life more convenient. At the same time, cybersecurity and data privacy became important topics as more people started sharing personal information online. People learned to use passwords, two-factor authentication, and avoid suspicious links to stay safe. Governments and companies started building stronger networks to protect users from hackers and viruses. Cloud computing allowed businesses and individuals to store their data safely without needing physical storage devices. Artificial intelligence and smart assistants like Siri and Alexa began helping people with their daily questions and tasks. The internet became more than just a tool. It became a digital companion in education, work, communication, and entertainment. Today, billions of people around the world use the internet every single day for learning, shopping, working, and relaxing. It connects people across languages, cultures, and time zones, creating a truly global digital family. Apps and websites are now available in multiple languages, making the internet more inclusive than ever. Children are learning to code and build websites at a young age, thanks to online courses and video tutorials. Doctors use the internet to consult patients from faraway places, saving time and even saving lives. Farmers check weather forecasts, prices, and farming tips online, helping them make better decisions. Travelers book hotels, explore destinations, and navigate new cities using online maps and apps. Teachers and students collaborate in real time from different countries, building knowledge together. The internet has helped people learn new skills, like cooking, dancing, painting, and even speaking new languages. Remote jobs are becoming common, where people work from home using internet tools and video meetings. Even during global crises like the COVID-19 pandemic, the internet helped people stay connected and informed. The internet gave hope to people stuck at home by providing news, entertainment, and ways to connect with loved ones. Online donations and fundraising helped people in need during disasters and emergencies. Despite all these benefits, it's important to use the internet wisely and avoid spending too much time online. Balance is key, and people should also enjoy offline activities like reading books, going for walks, and talking face-to-face. Cyberbullying, fake news, and online scams are some of the challenges we face in this digital age. That's why digital education and awareness are more important than ever before. Parents, teachers, and tech companies are working together to create a safer internet for everyone. In the future, we might see the internet become even faster with the rise of 5G and new technologies. Virtual reality and augmented reality might make learning and working online feel more real and interactive. More machines and appliances are getting connected to the internet, a trend known as the Internet of Things. Smart homes, smart cars, and smart cities are all part of this growing internet-powered world. As we move forward, it's important to make sure that internet access reaches rural areas and underprivileged communities. Everyone deserves the chance to learn, grow, and connect through the power of the internet. Governments and organizations are working to provide free or low-cost internet in remote places. The internet is like a giant library, a classroom, a stage, and a marketplace, all in one. With the right guidance and safety, it can be a powerful tool for change and improvement. The journey of the internet is one of the greatest stories of human progress and imagination. From a few simple cables and code to a world-changing network, it has come a long way. We must remember that behind every search, video, or email, there are teams of people who made it possible. Whether you're learning a new language, starting a business, or connecting with family, the internet supports your dreams. It is not just technology, it is a bridge that brings people together. The future of the internet will depend on how we use it, share it, and improve it. It's a tool that must be handled with care, responsibility, and kindness. The world is now smaller, smarter, and more connected than ever before. As new inventions appear, we will continue to discover more possibilities on the internet. The digital world will keep growing, and we must grow with it, learning, adapting, and staying safe. Always use the internet to help, learn, and create, not to harm or mislead others. Be kind, be curious, and be careful, because your actions online matter in the real world. The internet is our mirror and our window. It shows us ourselves and the world beyond. With every click, we shape the kind of internet we want for the future. Let's use it to spread knowledge, joy, and understanding across borders. May the next generation use it not just to consume, but to create and lead. Let's build a digital future where everyone can thrive and no one is left behind. Whether you're a student, a teacher, a parent, or a dreamer, the internet belongs to you. This is your chance to explore, learn, grow, and inspire others every day. So, the next time you open a browser or click a link, remember how far we've come, and imagine how much further we can go, together, thanks to the incredible power of the internet. If you enjoyed this story and want to learn more with us, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Voice Vocabulary for more easy English stories. Every story brings you closer to better English. See you in the next video.